Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because address is invalid. So guys, when you want to open any website or anything on your Safari browser in your iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys, after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, after doing this you need to go back, scroll it down, open your Safari browser. As you can see, simply you need to click on this tab, and guys, you need to scroll it down. Here is the option of clear history and website data. Simply you need to click on clear history, and guys, after doing this you need to scroll it down, click on advanced, and guys, click on feature flags, and guys, you need to click on this reset to default. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, you need to open your settings again, click on screen time, and guys, you need to scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and guys, turn off this tab. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, click on general, and guys, you need to click on here is the option that is VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. So guys, if connected, then you need to disconnect it. And guys, after doing this you need to click on language and region, and guys, you need to select your region according to your country. And guys, after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to open all the websites on your Safari browser easily. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.